to go. Okay, hello everyone. So I think we've been waiting for a little bit on this video. On this video, we're gonna discuss about, let's see here, view zoom in, because I know some people are like, hey, your screen is too small. All right, let's see here, view zoom in. Okay, I hope everybody could see there. All right, so we want to talk about what is the next step for, to this replacement on the Mailchimp, and we have a few offers, and some of these offers is really depending on your business model. Every business is different, so these solutions are really truly dependent on what you feel is right for your business. The first one I'm going to start off with is this one called OmniSend. OmniSend is a company that they kind of give you this more or less feeling similar to Mailchimp. Maybe yes, no, maybe so. They have some automations going on. They have a lot of the general setups and workflow automations, etc. Right? So it's a good one to start off with. If we go to their actual website, omnisend.com, and again, a link is going to be below. Let's take a look at pricing and what they have to offer. As you could see, they're probably one of the cheapest solutions. But we also have to remember, what was Mailchimp giving you, right? So what I'm going to type here is 2,000. 2,000 is just basically what Mailchimp was giving you guys for free, or for the standard, like maybe 20 bucks or so. All right, so with OmniSend, they're telling you, look, 30 bucks a month, but we're going to limit you for 24,000 emails. That's the only thing that I'm kind of not feeling so much. I don't like the fact that, they're giving you an allowance. A lot of the competitors that I'm about to show you, they give you unlimited emails. And the only way you could do that is if you dish out $200 a month, which I think it's a bit aggressive. Then other than that, they have the basic stuff, plus some special things like SMS and automations. They have the drag and drop, which is something that you guys are used to with Mailchimp. So again, a lot of good things here. The only thing is, of course, the limitations on those emails per month. And one thing that I think is important also is the Facebook custom audience. This right here in the advanced segmentation. This right here is a moneymaker, especially if you're doing marketing for Facebook. To dish out 200 bucks for this feature where others are including it in their standard price package, I think is a bit aggressive, right? So again, I'm doing 2,000 because I'm comparing it to what Mailchimp was telling you guys, was giving you guys. So here's an option. If you feel that this is right, check them out. Let's go off to the next one, okay? So the next one up is Marcelo. Let's go here to Marcelo. Marcelo is very interesting because although they have like a different setup, and as you can see, there's a whole bunch of colors here going on. They have their nice reports. What they really emphasize on is the loyalty program. So if you're paying a separate app for a loyalty program, and a rewards program or a VIP program, all of that stuff is already baked inside of Marcelo, which is very good. You could tag your clients, you could do all good stuff. So they have the automation, they have all that standard things. Let's see, Marcelo.com. And their tools are phenomenal when it comes to that aspect, like email flows, etc. Right? So I really like their interface in that part, that they're giving you kind of like a 2-for-1, instead of you having to pay multiple apps for it. But let's look at their pricing. Again, I'm looking out for you guys when it comes to, 2,000 clients, right? So get this. It's free for basic stuff, right? Like the referral program, and of course they have the Mailchimp integration. I think all of them have the Mailchimp integration. Customer segmentation and the basic loyalty program. So just the basic on this one, right? 0 per month. Give them a shot. Let's see if it works out for you. But we then jump to 50 bucks a month for up to 1,000 clients, right? So remember what I told you. Okay, 50 bucks, but that only gives you 1,000. What about the 2,000 that you had with Mailchimp? And remember OmniSend? Okay, so in order to reach 2,000, how much will it cost? Well, it's $10 for an additional block of 1,000. So we're looking at a total of what, 60 bucks? So for $60, they'll give you up to 2,000. It also connects to your POS and e-commerce system, which is what we're talking about. They have everything that's baked in here, plus more, such as the automated marketing email flows. They have the design, drag and drop feature. They have the loyalty VIP program, so you get all of the good stuff unlocked over here. And they also have a feedback collection so that you could ask your clients, hey, how well are we doing, right? So that's what Marcelo is about. Their strength, again, is that they have an interesting loyalty setup. Look, they have a loyalty widgets, rewards, email notification, all of that good stuff. When it comes to insights and reporting, I guess it's very standard. They have a standard thing here so that you can kind of see what's going on. As far as making decisions, I feel that this dashboard could be a bit more thought out, and to create call to actions based on certain actions on how to improve it. So I hope that Marcelo in the future could go ahead and improve on that. Whereas with OmniSend, their reporting feature wasn't even they didn't show you anything at all, right? So, but they cost less, so you get what you pay for. Reporting is crazy important because it tells you how well the platform is doing. And if you're investing $60, you need to know how your money is being worked, what's going on. Pushing $60, how am I getting my return on this investment here, right, guys? Okay, let's go to the next one. So the next one is called Drip. Now, Drip is a big heavy hitter, right? When it comes to Drip, this right here, you get down to the nitty gritty per se when it comes to segmentation. Their workflow as to what you could do and how to send things is ridiculous. Look at that. It integrates not only with Facebook, but also with Instagram. You could do split testing, if scenarios, if this, then that, if not, then the other. Wait a day. It's hardcore when it comes to what it could do. Their reporting system is also very attractive. I did a demo with them, I want to say a few days ago, and it was very, very nice as far as what the numbers would show you on revenue, split segmentations, how well did this do, how well did that do. It was beautiful in that aspect, right? And it's used by very good companies. The only thing with Drip, I don't have a link for you guys. With the other guys, I have links for. But with Drip, I don't have a link in order to get you a good deal or to kind of help you out if you need any assistance. So if you're interested in Drip, send me a comment, or let me see if I can work something out so that I could get you involved in Drip, so that you could get a good deal. And of course, resolutions designed for assistance. That's part of the deal that I'm trying to work out with you. Let's look out pricing. When it comes to pricing, they have basic, pro, and more, right? Basic not only gives you the 2,000, but they give you 2,500. So already off the map, I think they're winning here, okay? Because they're giving you much more than the others for this price. So they have unlimited email sends, and they have a great chat support 24/7 around the clock, okay? So the integration with Shopify plus other tools is definitely a good thing here. Then once you start to really scale up and get up to the 5K plus, that's where this comes in, right? But of course, as far as the features goes, it's the same. It's just that once you hit that cap, the prices do go up. So for a lot of startup businesses, I think that a lot of people are going to start off here. And then as your business starts to really scale, you could see your return on investment after you pay this, right? If you're seeing that Drip is making you that good money, you're going to be like, I'll pay the 122, no problem, because Drip is really giving me a strong return based on all of those amazing features and integrations, okay? So that part right there is what's very important. So take a look at it, and you guys let me know what you think. Finally, we have the last one, Cleovo. Everybody is talking about Cleovo. I'm looking at it on the social medias. I'm looking at it let's see here. Let's go to Cleovo's website. All right. On the social medias, there's a lot of people that are just switching over to that. Let's look at pricing for a second. Again, we are talking about the 2,000 mark, right? So for the 2,000 mark, let me go right here and go all the way up to 2,000, okay? $60 a month. These guys are premium in price, okay, for what they're giving you, right? And look what happens once you reach 5K. Once you reach 5K, $100 versus the 122 from Drip. But these guys, they are powerhouses when it comes to, all the things that they offer for Shopify. They have a very good relationship with Shopify as far as segmentations and emails and all that. The only complaints that I've noticed, and this you can look this up in the Shopify App Store. If you want to look at the reviews from other merchants, go to the Shopify App Store, look at the reviews, not just the good ones. Go and look at the bad ones so that you could see the truth about any issues you might find. And the ones that I've noticed for Cleovo is that, you know, sometimes the platform itself is not easy to use. People take a bit of a long time to kind of look for things. Another thing was that the email migration and cleanup of the emails, there's a lot of manual process involved in it, whereas other platforms kind of do that automatically for you. So, you know, expect not just a learning curve, but also expect some hiccups when it comes to the actual emails, as far as it being cleaned or not, you know, whatever that means, right? But they offer the same thing as other powerhouses do, which is, you know, segmentation, so that you could go ahead and push out into Facebook and etc. So there's a lot of things that you could do here. Here goes the drag and drop, right? In order so that you could customize your email. This part is very important. I believe they also have like a free trial, so I'll leave the link at the bottom. But I like the dashboard. The dashboard is huge. And I think that Cleovo really focuses hardcore when it comes to their dashboards. I personally like the drip dashboard better because it just simplified things easier visually, right? The only thing about drip was that, you know, the email editor, they want you to keep it semi-basic. But if you don't have a problem with that, as long as drip is making you money, that's really all that matters. With Cleovo, they're giving you a very informative dashboard so that you can make moves based on these dashboards. And that's where really the value comes in for Cleovo. And there's other customizations that they have that make your email marketing look very, very nice, such as branding and all this good stuff, okay? I didn't want to make this video too long, guys. I wanted to kind of give you an overview as far as what we felt. Do we have a favorite? Yes. Resolutions Design favors Drip and favors Cleovo. With the other ones, it's not that we don't favor them, otherwise they would not be on this video, right? It's just that for every business, you know, it's like a glove fits not everybody, right? It's depending on what your business is about. Are you selling trinkets? Are you selling, you know, high-end shoes? Are you selling, you know, what is your customer base, right? So your investment is really attached to the people who spend money on you, which is your clients. So think about it very well. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think, which one you guys prefer with. Oh, there was one more thing. If you guys really insist on keeping Mailchimp, right? There's this thing called Zapier. And Zapier, all it does is like, it's an app, right? That just kind of like lets you integrate one platform with another, okay? So it allows you to integrate the Shopify with the Mailchimp. The thing about Zapier is that, you know, they really cost a lot because they charge you per zips. Zips is like a communication. Like whatever you see that's going on, zaps, I think that's what they call it. An action, do this, do that, and then done. They charge per zap a lot of money, right? And for the transactions that you guys are going to be doing just to keep Mailchimp, I don't think that it's worth it, to be very honest with you. There's going to be other apps in the Shopify theme store that are also going to try to marry the platforms between Shopify and Mailchimp. Like I know a lot of people really want to keep that marriage together, but here's the truth, guys. Expect a division, right? Something's going to happen. Mailchimp is going to figure out a way of how to cut them off, okay? Because of the issue between the beef, Shopify versus Mailchimp, okay? So don't fall for the easy solution of, you know, these guys or other little softwares that try to create a bridge. Go with a platform that has a solid relationship so that you could set it and forget it. That's it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave your notes on the comments. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Thanks.